In this video, I will show you how to make a prebiotic pomegranate juice. It tastes great. You will need 1 pomegranate and 1 cup of water. Extract pomegranate and add to the blender. Add 1 tablespoon of Hashab Prebiotic. This is pure Acacia prebiotic fiber, which so far has the highest prebiotic content in the natural world. The powder is made without heating or grinding, which is perfect for health benefits. Add 1 glass of water. Mix it well. Enjoy.